Okay, so we're off to the hardware store on the Himiway. Always take my phone. Okay. And we're fully charged. I could put the phone right there, but it's daylight. It's hard to see. Doesn't work out as nicely as I thought it would. So I think this is the first video I've had of my bike. So I might as well get a picture of it. That is the Himiway Cruiser. The other one I have, the white one, is a Himiway step through. That's Val's. She doesn't have any mileage on that one. I got some mileage on this one though, a little bit. I ride, she doesn't. So we'll turn it on. And we're at level 1. Brake on. And I'm out. And we're off. Okay. Oh, I wonder what the wind noise is going to be like on this. All right. This is more of a test than anything. Okay, so I think we'll just go for a little short ride here and see what kind of video I get out of this. There's the lake. Got a little lake in our neighborhood. There's some good Trump supporters right here. Yeah, it's a Trump neighborhood. This is a kid's house. His name's Jadil. He comes over and helps me every once in a while. He's going to college, but he helps me do projects around the house. Okay, so I'll pick up the pace a bit. I'll go on to power level 3, which is a jump to 13.6, 13.8, and we're going to turn down Bahama here. This is the waterworks. This is where our fresh water comes from, right here. And somebody's installing a fence, it looks like. Okay, well this is Moss here, which I live on the corner. If we turned right, we'd go 1 block up and we'd be back home. But I'm going to take a trip straight down Bahama, which is the road we're on now. And Then we'll go around the block and go home. But just wanted to see some of the homes here. We've got some nice places. My favorite's this one over here on the right. Oh, that's where the donkey lives. There's the donkey, as a matter of fact. Maybe we can go take a closer look at him. There they are. We hear them from our back porch. He does bray now and then. That's about the best view I can get of him though. Okay. They have horses as well. Okay, so we'll go back around. All right. And we got a couple other nice places here. I like the houses in here. Doing something to their property back there. Maybe a pool, maybe a basketball court. We're seeing we're putting in a sprinkler system. That's gonna be nice. Another nice place here. These houses are huge. Look at this place here. All right. So we'll go around. I think the video is going to be about another 3 minutes longer. 3 or 4 minutes it should take to get back to the house. And we'll pick up the pace a little. Go from 9, go up to the 13-mile-an-hour notch. Hey, I'm not letting the bike do all the work. I am pedaling. But I don't have to pedal as hard. And the fun part is when I don't pedal at all and I put the pedal to the metal, because the bike will go about 30 miles an hour. Close to it. We'll give that a whirl here in a minute. And we're going to make a right turn up here on Hayes. It's a nice big open field here. I think it's a retention pond for when it really rains. That fills up. As you can see, Bahama continues to go, but we're going to turn here and head on home. Gopher and Tortoise Crossing. I don't know if anybody saw that, but well, there is some property out here for sale if you're interested. This is private, just like ours is. A lot of ours is woods, which we don't develop. We kind of like the woods next to the house. A lot of places like that around here. Well, here's Panama. So we're about a block away from the house. We'll make a right turn, and there's the law. My favorite doggie lives here. I don't know where she is, but she's pretty vicious. But she likes me because I bring her treats. This is my walking route. I walk all the way to the end of Panama from our house, walk all the way to the end of this road and turn around and walk back, and that's 2 miles. We are doing a little over 14 miles an hour. Nice and easy though. I don't really have to. I remember to go this fast on my bike when I was a kid. I really had to work. This here, 13.6. That's the average for level 3, which is what I have it on. Just past that stop sign up ahead. That's our house. So we're almost home. Okay, and we'll cross Moss and we'll be home. That corner right there, that's our property. Right here. Alright, let's go back to the house and see how this video turned out. Hope you enjoyed it. My bike rides are usually a lot longer than this, but good enough for now. Yeah, we went oh, I didn't reset it. So I had 10 miles, so we only went about 1.2 miles. There was about 10 miles on the trip mileage. 10 minutes. Okay. I'm going to shut it off and see how the video came out. So long.